Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add to cart ingredients on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. And after that, if you see a recipe that you would like to make, so click on the first one. And then if you want to do this, you can see that this ingredient list. And if you have to buy some of the ingredients, then you can add to your cart by clicking on the add to cart, and here you can select uh, the ingredients. So confirm, and then you can click on the view cart option, and here is this list right now only with two ingredients, olive oil and ground black pepper. So then when you go to shopping, then you can check this list and to see that what you will need to buy. And it's really helpful because you can see that the app makes categories, so oils and dressings, spices and seasonings. So it's really good because when you go to the shop, and then you can see that when you are at the oils and dressing section, what you have to buy, you do not have to scroll all the list and after that to go back if you forgot something else. So yeah, this is a really helpful feature of the app. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.